The process object is your application's control panel, but most developers only scratch the surface. Let's explore what it really offers. The process object is a global in Node.js that provides information and control over the current running process. You don't need to import it. It's always available. Think of it as a bridge between your JavaScript code and the underlying operating system. It exposes runtime details like the node version, platform, memory usage, and process ID. Two of the most common use cases are accessing environment variables via process.env and reading command line arguments through process.argv. Environment variables let you configure your app without hard-coding secrets. The argv array contains all arguments passed when you started your script, starting with the node executable path, then your script path, then any custom arguments. The process object also provides control methods. You can call process.exit to terminate your application with a specific exit code. Use process.w to get the current working directory, or process.stir to change it. There's also process.uptime to see how long your app has been running, and process.kill to send signals to other processes. Finally, the process object is an event emitter. You can listen for lifecycle events like exit, or handle errors with uncaught exception and unhandled rejection. This lets you perform cleanup tasks, log errors, or gracefully shut down before your app terminates. The process object gives you complete runtime control. From reading config to handling exits gracefully, master it, and you'll build more robust Node applications. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.